ready.
Stand by.
All right, good to go. Clear. First back shooter.
Everything went out the window. I was going. I should have just stretched myself out.
Back.
Just camped out.
Hey.
All right,
I know that.
you stay low and make ready.
Impact. Down. Impact. 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 Impact.
Alright, shoot ready.
Shooter ready.
Stand by.
Impact.
From the leading here.
That one.
The target's 1.1. A little more. I measured hundreds.
Impact.
I got 1.2 and 0.8. Okay, then you subtract 0.6.
Impact.
Impact.
Impact. Impact. Impact.
This one was really close. That's your score.
Hand grenade.
All right, that's got you for 4.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Jeff is our shooter. Jeff is our
Impact.
shooter. Next shot. Next stage.
I only have to move her once, right? I got at least one.
You got 4. So that means you hit,
Impact.
you hit the mover twice. And you hit the.
Oh. Ipsic one.
Impact.
What was your breaking?
One.
And you dialed 0.2.
Yes.
You're shooting at the edge. You're with.
Shooter ready. Shooter ready. Stand by.
All right. Are you ready to make ready?
that for you.
Okay. Shooter understands?
Yes.
Okay. Shooter ready. Stand by. Engage.
Impact.
Port side first.
Impact. Hopper twice. Stay wide over. Right. Let's move on. Impact. Where we at? There we are. Impact. Impact. Impact.
Impact.
Top to bottom again.
Yep. Broadside.
Impact. Impact.
They're supposed to have little brackets that you could
Impact.
dip your toes into. Apparently nobody's ever been on a roof.
Hey.
How do you stay on
Impact.
a roof? The same way you stay on a roof is fucking hard.
Impact.
Yeah, Call of Duty. That's how fucking
Impact.
Impact.
I've played Call of Duty for
Stand by.
On start, engage target. As desired, must declare when changing targets before to count. At 325, you're going to hit it 6. It's 6 points. 400 yards, 8 points. 450 yards is 10 points. No target may be hit more than 10 times.
Why am I still not finding you? Oh, because you're way further. Okay.
You better be able to hit the 325 freaking 10 times. Come on.
Impact!
You just clean that stupid unsupported prone bullshit that you
Impact!
Right, left.
I got eyes out there.
4. Impact!
So you guys see the targets, you need me to point them out to you. They fucking blow in the
Impact!
Left, right.
Yep. Right here up front, and then one over there, and then one out there. And it looks like a very
Impact!
distances are 325.
Impact! Impact! Impact!
Got you.
Impact! Impact!
Tires is gonna go close.
Impact!
Try to go to the other one.
Nice. Stand by.
Fucking weird. He's got the navel.
Impact! Impact!
Fucking see. Take your magnification way down. It helps your eye box.
Blue. Open your eyes.
Impact!
Impact.
Impact!
Now go fast. Impact. Fucking gay. Fucking way.
I had tits on my back, you would.
Yeah, I probably would.
You should see your fucking thumb position. I want to talk shit, motherfucker.
I knew you wouldn't be offended by that.
Oh yeah, of course not.
Impact.
Oh, and by the way, you need to go back to women.
Impact. Impact. Whoa.
Impact!
Impact.
Time!
Impact.
Give it to him.
Right there.
255.
Shoot right.
Get it ready.
Stand by.
Okay. Yeah. Hey, are we at a spot where we? No.
Do you have a tape measure?
Yeah, we can do this Patrick's gun here. We gotta go switch these targets. We inverted them.
Impact!
Yeah.
Organic worshipper.
Impact!
The orange one's at 100 when it's supposed to be at 50. We're like, yeah.
All right, starting on the left to the right for the diamonds.
Left side diamond.
That fucking thing is junk. I don't know what's wrong with it. I want to fucking launch that thing. It's like a fucking voodoo man.
Impact!
Not in my gun. I concur.
Or the shooter, maybe.
It could be.
Impact!
Right to left circle.
Yes. Impact!
I'm gonna make that into a
Impact!
Watch your head.
Left to right diamonds.
Yes, sir. You're a master? Oh, cool. You do everything? Center fire, ring fire, everything.
Impact! Impact!
Oh, cool.
Impact!
Beautiful. Shooter ready?
Shooter ready.
Stand by.
I just didn't want to waste all my time.
No, the only difference is I wouldn't connect it, so unless it's really like that. I like the apple one.
Impact! Impact!
That is a great. Well, I mean, I have. And I have very. I've done more than my daughter has. We have like 4 of those things. For the money, you can't get.
Impact!
Yeah.
Impact!
Remember, it's small below the
Impact!
Alright.
Hostage!
What?
Engage.
Yeah,
They both went.
They're kind of like stuck
They're
together.
touching.
Yeah.
I was gonna say that wind would have had to have picked up quite a bit.
Impact! Impact!
Down. Re-engage.
Impact! Stand by.
No. You need that.
It's at 1.
It's hit to move.
Oh, shit.
Impact! Impact!
Missed that tidbit as well.
Yeah. Yeah, because it says it up here. I usually.
Impact, I believe.
Yeah. Hit to move though, so alright.
Impact! 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 Impact!
Play.
Shooter ready.
Shooter ready.
Stand by.
Impact! Impact! Impact. 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 Impact.
I got him in here.
Good. I'll see you.
Small.
Stand by.
Impact. 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 Impact.
What was his time back?
Impact.
Doesn't matter.
That's asking for time, not time.
I'm guessing it's what we like
Impact.
contact.
Nicely done. Who's next? Who's going down?
No, but he has
Yeah, shoot that. I'm Jeff. Okay, if you're up, then be on. Get back. All you.
Yeah, anything you want.
Yeah. Enjoy your rifle.
Anything you want.
Enjoy your sport.
Get back. Andrew, did you have that made or did you have to make that big bag?
Oh, no, that's it. Yeah.
You got 2 shots near, 50 tip, 2 shots near each one. The last one, switch to depending on the last tip, 3rd tip. You can dial whatever you want to do. Start engaging the full. It's the tiebreaker stage.
I'm horrible at names, so don't worry about that. What's your name? Kevin? Nice to meet you, Kevin. What's that? Oh, okay.
You ready?
Shooter ready.
Stand by. Which one are you going for?
Going closer first.
Close. Impact.
Okay. Going to the far, or the middle.
So you shot and there's like a fucking, there's like a rack over there that like shit off of it and knocks it over. Yeah.
122.
No.
No, it's one of those. Back by the blue shit.
Impact.
Mill.
Impact.
Take me in the balls now.
Fun?
Impact.
Fun stage. I think they're fun. You get a score around, you put down.
You just gotta look.
Impact.
Hey,
Impact.
Other than that,
Impact.
We don't need, bro.
Hey Tim, how many hits is that on that target?
Impact.
6?
Impact. Impact. So that should be 5. Those are 15. Yeah.